Hi everyone, it's Maddie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have my final birthday unboxing. It is here. It is from Cartier. I alluded to it in my last birthday unboxing video, and so I'm so excited to share this with you. So without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so the day before my birthday, I kind of had like a little birthday shopping day planned where I picked up a bunch of stuff to celebrate, and one of the items that I picked out was from Cartier, but I ended up getting it modified. We can talk a little bit more about that, and so it wasn't ready to pick up until just recently. So the other day I went and I met, well, I didn't actually meet with my sales associate, but I had someone else help me because I was scheduling, you know, and all that, but I went and picked it up, and they were so sweet. They included this little gift of like, I don't know, like 15 of these little Cartier chocolates. So there's the, I think it's like milk chocolate and dark chocolate, which is just really cute. I love a little extra bonus gift. I feel like Cartier is really good with gifts. Like every single time I've gone there, I've walked away with something special, whether it's chocolate, champagne. I got a keychain one time. Like I just feel like Cartier is really good with gifts. Oh, I think one time I got like a little porcelain thing. They're good with the gifting, and also Cartier is good with the packaging. Okay, so let's go through all of the stuff that come when you buy a piece of jewelry from Cartier. So first, there is the receipt, easy. They are not skimping on packaging, this is for sure. Then there is the certificate of authenticity, which they seal with their classic wax seal, which is just, it's just like a fun, beautiful touch, and everything is like glossy, whatever, very bad for the environment. You know. Okay, anyway, then I got this little box here, which is the cleaning kit, and you may be familiar with this. So it's a little polishing cloth and a little toothbrush, not toothbrush, brush. Okay, anyway, and then the cleaning spray, and then they said that could be used on any 18 karat gold or diamonds. It's both safe for. So there's that, very useful. You know, the first time I got one of these cleaning kits, I like saved it. I was like afraid to use it. Now I think it's probably gone bad. I don't know if cleaning solution goes bad, but it's like very old. I wouldn't want to use it. And so I'm definitely going to make it a point to clean all of my old jewelry with this and use it this time instead of just letting it sit. And then I have a travel pouch, which I'm not going to share just yet because then you'll kind of give away what I got, which will maybe be given away with this box. So the box comes wrapped in white paper, sealed with a red seal here. I've already opened it, and I opened it on one side. I had to do my little unboxing reel, you know how it goes. But I just slid it out like that. Cheating! And then, I don't know how I'm going to keep that in. Do people want it? Not that I anticipate on selling things, but it's just like, okay, so there is the box with the beautiful jewelry box inside. Okay, any guesses as to what this could be? All right, to reveal, it's the Cartier necklace, love necklace in rose gold. So you can see these are two little love rings. Hopefully you can see the detail. They have like the little love insignia that looks like a screw in there, and it's in the rose gold. And the reason why I had to wait to pick it up is because I actually got it extended. So when you buy a necklace from Cartier, for the lifetime of the piece, actually, you have a complimentary up to 4 centimeters you can add to the necklace. And the way that they added it to my necklace is they kept the jump ring. Sorry, I just need to get some of this stuff out of the way. They kept the jump ring, so it's like, now it's like an adjustable necklace, so it can be worn at 2 different sizes. And I did that because I want to stack it with my BCA. Okay, so the travel pouch is like this. It's like for a necklace. These are really useful because then your necklaces and all that don't get tangled. There's like a card here that slides out that you clip the necklace to, and then it slides in, and buttons like so. It keeps everything nice and safe and clean. Okay. Can you hear the noise? It makes this like really pretty noise. Can you hear that? I wonder if the microphone's picking it up. It makes like this tiny little tinkling noise. So you can see here, hopefully there's the jump ring, which this is the original length that it was. And then I added 4 centimeters to it so that it layers with the Van Cleef. At the original length, whoops, this is a little, at the original length, the shorter length, it really is the same as the Van Cleef necklace. Ooh, and the spring is, you know when you first get a necklace and the spring is like fresh. So this is like the original length. You can see it's pretty much overlapping with the Van Cleef. And so with the extra 4 centimeters, you get a really nice layer. I should have worn a different t-shirt, but we'll just pretend. So you can see how there's like a good distance of separation from my little sweet plum necklace. And then there's the little love necklace. I love it. I've been influenced by this necklace by so many people on social media. I think it's just such a beautiful, classic, easy piece. It's, all 18 karat rose gold. So you don't really have to worry about it. The chain is like thick, but it's still delicate. So you could layer it like this, or if you were more into like a neck mess kind of look or wanted to wear it on its own. Oh my gosh. I'm worried that this spring is literally going to break my nail. It's like so strong, which is good. But you know how like over time, I don't know if I could do this on camera. Okay. So this is the shorter length. So you can see, I mean, it sits below, but like there's just not enough distance. I feel like this is too close. The VCA, you can also tighten it to wear it higher, but then on me, I think it would be a little too tight. It would flip. We could try it, just see how it goes, because why not? So anyway, this was the last item that I got for myself for my birthday. It was a really good birthday. It's been a tough year, I think, for everyone, but I'm excited for my next year. I'm always excited to get older. Getting older is such a privilege. Better than the alternative. See, I think this is a little tight for me. So if you had a thinner neck than I do, then you could wear the VCA on the shorter setting and not adjust this. I say, why not adjust it though? It's like available to you. So this just feels a little tight to me, but it looks okay. So anyway, that was my last birthday gift for this year. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you enjoy unboxing videos, and otherwise I will see you in my next one. Okay, bye guys.